This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: steering wheel memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Acura Fremont is located at 5700 Cushing Parkway in Fremont. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.